Hello friends, in this video we are learning about WhatsApp stickers. WhatsApp just rolling out WhatsApp sticker globally, and in this video we are learning about how to download and use WhatsApp sticker. To use WhatsApp sticker, first go to the Play Store and then search for WhatsApp, and you have to update WhatsApp from here. So here you can see I already updated my WhatsApp, so simply click on open and open any chat. And here you have to click on emoji options, and here you can see at bottom of your screen emoji, JF and sticker option. This one is a sticker option, so click on sticker option. So here you can see watch like icon. Here you can find your already sent stickers. So here you can also see different options: star like option, heart like options, where you can get different stickers. So and here at right corner you can see plus like icon, so simply click on that, and here you can add stickers from here. So simply click on download, and it will be automatically added in your WhatsApp, or you can see your stickers in my stickers sections. So you can add different stickers in your WhatsApp. So simply go back, and here you can see your stickers. So just I'm sending here stickers. Here you can see I am now sending stickers. So thus you can enable WhatsApp sticker in your WhatsApp messenger. And that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.